Hello and welcome. Today I want to talk to you about the importance of drinking water. Now I know we hear about this all the time, everywhere we go, 8 glasses of water a day, but I know that it's really difficult to consume 8 glasses of water a day. And the way I ensure that I do that is I actually take in the morning 8 glasses of water and fill them, and then I can see whether I have consumed, how much I've consumed by the end of the day. So that's motivating for me and it keeps me on track, okay? But are you consuming enough water? And then you think, oh, well, it's cold, it's this, it's that, it's whatever. And very often what we do is we're thirsty and we reach for a soft drink, a cool drink, something with a lot of sugar in it. And that is just, well, it's exacerbating the weight problem and it's not feeding your cells with the nutrients that they need. And so it begins the breakdown of your health. And well, that's what I'm trying to help you do, is to feel better, feel stronger, and step out feeling gorgeous with a smile. So please listen carefully. I know it's not what you want to hear, but it's the importance of water and our well-being. It's everything, okay? We are 80% water. And so if we're not drinking enough and we become dehydrated, then it's going to show in your skin, ladies. Sorry, but it is. And so you become dehydrated and the skin becomes wrinkly. And no, we don't want to be looking wrinkly. So that's the most important reason for consuming water. Number one, we don't want to look wrinkly, okay? So reach for your 8 glasses of water, the way I do it, or whatever was going to work for you. And what's the other reason? So we drink the water. What does that help? It gets into the bloodstream, and your blood is 90% water. And what is the function of the blood? It's to get nutrients to the cells, and the cells maintain the health of your body. Every cell in your body needs to be maintained. Its health needs to be maintained. And how? Well, because the blood transports the nutrients to the cell. And so there's this exchange. When it gets to the cell, it gives, here, I'm going to give you, we're going to trade. The blood says, I'm going to give you the nutrients and you're going to give me the toxic waste. So they exchange, and then the blood transports the toxic waste out of the body through your kidneys. So the kidneys need to be flushed with lots of water, and then it goes out either through urine or feces. So then we get to digestion. So first of all, if we're doing it properly through the urine, then we're not going to get any urinary tract infections because we're flushing. If we are flushing the kidneys, and when we go through the digestive system, if you are suffering from constipation, it's probably because you're dehydrated, because you haven't got enough liquid to help with the process, okay? So another important reason is elimination. Okay, so when you get the water in, it transports it to the nutrients to the body. There's this exchange, and then there's elimination. We also now know that water helps to plump up the skin, and also, well, it's feeding the skin with the nutrients that it needs for you to maintain looking youthful. So water, ladies, water is everything, okay? And I know you don't want to hear it, but also if you're drinking lots of soft drinks with sugar, laced with sugar, that's going to help you, that's going to make you put on weight. And it's what we call dead calories, wasted calories. So stop reaching for the soft drink. Start reaching for the water, okay? And then it also regulates your body temperature. So when you're working out in the gym, it helps you, it pushes sweat to the surface, and that is cooling. And so that will help to regulate your body temperature. It keeps the blood thin so that the things can move. It flushes the body waste, and it maintains your blood pressure. So if you haven't got enough liquid in your blood, then it becomes thick, and then the transporting is thicker and slower and sluggish, and that creates a higher blood pressure. All right, so drink more water. Have I given you enough reasons to? Okay, I hope so. So my message for you today is to prevent kidney damage, to make sure that you're not constipated, to help elimination process happening, to help the transport of the nutrients that you've eaten, hopefully good ones, to the cells of the body. Drink water. It also helps with weight loss, and if you are feeling hungry, drink water first, because often we identify, oh, I'm hungry, and actually you're thirsty, and it's much more fun to eat than to drink. Right, so I hope I've given you enough reasons to drink water. Please do, and I'll speak to you soon.